everybody. Why is this wobbling? Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time and I've just been dealing with a lot of personal things, and without going into details, I'll just say this, that we have suffered a great loss, and so I have not been motivated enough to make any videos or do anything. It's been a very rough time, so I'm finally back and I got an idea of making this thing here. And if you want to see how I made it using very simple things that you can find pretty much anywhere, please keep on watching, and I'll see you later. I eat a lot of ice cream, as you can see, and these are not bought second-hand from a shop. I ate each and every one of these ice creams. Okay, with some help from my cousins and my brothers and all, but I washed them all and they're clean, except these ones that I have already used once for a shitty project like this, which I'm gonna just tear apart.
Because I don't need this shit anymore, bitch. So I'm gonna take apart these big ones, and no point in taking by the small ones, and then we're gonna get to working. Guess what we are making today? You'll see what we are making, or you have already read the title. If you have read the title, great job. If you haven't, like I never read any titles of any YouTube videos ever, then congratulations. You are now officially an YouTube addict. Let's begin.
So as it turns out, my hot glue gun is not going any further than this. So I have to sit here and work from here. So if you don't mind seeing side action. All these sticks, and I'm gonna lay them out first like this. Got a big stick here. This is bamboo. I think I'm gonna attach it right here. I can cut off the ends later. Okay? What'd you say? Okay. So let's get to making this baby. I have no idea where to start. This is a power tool, and I do not recommend using this alone. Absolutely not. But I have used this before, and it's pretty safe. This thing it's not gonna cut your hand or something unless you put it right next to it. So I'm just gonna use this. I'll keep this back safely where it belongs, and I'll be right back. Oh, look at that! I think it looks pretty cool. It's not dried yet completely. It's gonna go on like this. I mean, not here, but wherever I put it. So let's go and put it there. It looks like a very bright shade of orange. Yeah. So I think I'll put it here, covering up these god-awful butterflies, but I don't know how yet. Maybe I won't be able to cover up this butterfly, but this one I hope I can. And I'll be hanging these little frame thingies here onto this. So let's see what we can do. Please let me know what you think about this. If you liked it, if you hated it, if you think I could have improved it, if you think that maybe it's just shit, let me know, please. I'll be very happy to hear from you, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. So as it turns out, so
I need to heat up my hot glue gun, so I'll be right back after I do so. By the way, these are like sticks. These are like dowels. These are also ice cream sticks, but these are not, these are not the same thing as these. I'm gonna keep these aside. I'll be right back.